Hello everyone, I'm Elena Rugal and welcome back to my channel. And today I invite you to crochet adorable heart leaf cord. It can be a cord or ribbon. You can use it like a bracelet, necklace, headband or belt. My heart leaf consists of two sides and each side has 6 strings. Such method I created by myself, so this is my own pattern. In the description below the video you can find more tutorials with this method that I used in this video tutorial. For this example I used thick yarn. In green color they look like leaves, and in pink color they look like a heart. It is very easy to make, so you don't need special skills and spend a lot of time. You can decorate hat or clothes using these 3 small segments. For this project you need to have some tools such as ball of yarn and a crochet hook. For work I am using crochet hook 3 millimeters and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. This is the thick yarn, 100 meters in 100 grams. And now I show you how to crochet such cord. Let's crochet the cord or ribbon. Make a chain, then chain of 5 for the chain space. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. Then double crochet the second time into the same chain stitch, not finish. Then pull through all loops on the hook. The base for the segment or small motif is ready. Let's crochet the heart leaf. Then chain of 2, 1, 2. Let's look. Now I'm going to work with strings. First of all, I'm working with this stitch, then with the second one. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. 1. I hold all loops with my finger. Make the second one. 2. In total it should be 6 of them. 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hold all loops with my finger. The height of the strings should be the same. And now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Then you should count till you will get 2 loops on the hook. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have got 2 loops on the hook. I don't work with these 2 loops. Now I'm working with this stitch. I continue working on the second side. First half is ready. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the second stitch. I turn the work. Now pull up a loop to the level of the loops. In total it should be 6 of them. First one is ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through first loop, then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then pull through 3 loops. 1, pull through 3 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have got 3 loops on the hook. Then pull through all loops on the hook, and my heart leaf is almost ready. This is the back side. Then chain of 3, insert the hook into the chain that I did on the beginning, and make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. My segment is ready. Let's crochet the base for the next segment. Then chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am working on the back side. Yarn over the hook and work with cluster made of 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and pull through all loops on the hook. Now I turn the work. Then you should work in the same way as I did in the first time. Then chain off to 1, 2, yarn over the hook, I am working with this one and continue with the second stitch. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Make 6 strings, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got all 6 strings. I hold all loops with my finger. I remind you all strings should be the same. Then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops and pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got 2 loops. Then yarn over and make 6 strings for the second half. So continue working in this way till the end of the second side. You should continue by yourself. As you can see, I have done 2 hearts or leaves. Now I show you how to complete such segment. I have done 3 chains. Insert the hook into the chain space made of 2 chains and make a slip stitch and pull a little bit. Now I show you how to crochet the base for the next segment. I'm working with this chain space. Make chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make cluster made of 2 double crochet. Make the first one, make the second one, and pull through all loops on the hook. The base is ready, then you should work in the same way as I showed you before. Make 6 strings into this stitch. So you should repeat hearts or leaves as many times as you need. And now I show you how to complete my cord. After you have done your ribbon or cord, this is the last segment in my cord. I did 3 chains. I insert the hook into the 2 chain space, make a slip stitch, then make a chain and secure the yarn. And as you notice, I have already cut off the yarn. So, and pull. You can leave it longer to create bracelet, necklace or belt to put clasps to the both sides. I remind you, my heart leaf consists of 2 sides. Each side has 6 strings. And the base of this heart leaf is cluster made of 2 double crochet. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorials. And please write comment below the video what you will get and where you will use such cord. Bye!